Hello everyone, this is Harsh and I welcome you all to HB Decode. In this video, we will learn how to create a new iCloud account. Whether you already have an iCloud account or you have bought a new iPhone and you want to create a new iCloud account. So in this video, I will teach you how you can create a new iCloud account without any payment method, any using any app store or any third-party app, just by using your settings. So let's get started. To start with, we will go to our settings. We'll open our settings app. Then we will scroll down to the app menu, which will be at the bottom of the table, and we will tap on that. After that, we'll go to the contact section, which will be in the C section. So we'll scroll down to the contact section here, and we will reach our contacts here. One more method to reach here is that you see the A to Z scroll down list on the right side. You can tap on the C section there and you will directly reach contacts app. So we'll tap here on contacts, and then we will scroll down to contacts account. You will find that just below your contacts icon. So we'll go there and tap on contacts account. So we'll scroll up here and click on contacts account. Now here you will see various options: iCloud, Gmail, your original Apple ID, and add account option. If you already have an iCloud, you will find this type of menu, but if you don't have an Apple account, then you will only find add account option. So since I already have an iCloud account, I am finding this type of option. So now we will tap on add account to create a new iCloud account. So once you tap on add account, you will find this kind of menu where you will get various options: iCloud, Google, Yahoo, Outlook.com, but we need to tap on iCloud. Now here you will find option of creating a new Apple ID or Apple account. So we'll tap on a create a new Apple account and it will redirect us to this kind of page. Now here we need to enter our first name and last name. So I will enter our channel name here, HB on first and Decode on last name. You need to enter your first name here and your surname in the last name. And then we will choose a random date of birth here. Any random date of birth, because it's just a tutorial, you need to select your original date of birth here, so that if a payment method is added, it should match there. Now here we will use our email address instead of phone number, because we want to create a @icloud.com. Now here what we need to do is, you will find the option here, do not have an email address. When you tap on that, you will be redirected to create an @icloud account. So we will tap here and tap on get an iCloud email address. When we will go there, we will create a unique email address here with @icloud.com. Be sure that whichever email you use, it should be unique and no one in past should have used that, otherwise you will have to create a new one. So we will select with our channel name HB Decode Tutorial and @icloud.com. It's already there, so we don't need to enter that one. And then we will continue, and after that it will redirect us to this kind of page where create an email address option will be there. We need to tap on that, and then we need to select our password. Select a unique password with a capital letter, small letter, and mix of numbers. So we'll select our password here. And one more thing, you should remember your password or save it in the passwords app. Now after we have created our password, we'll click on continue, and then it will redirect us here for phone number verification. Either you can use the number on your device or you can use a different number. So I will tap on use a different number here, and it will redirect us to enter a phone number and then verify it via message or via phone call. So after verification, it will give us two terms and conditions to read, and then we need to agree on that. And after that, it will redirect us to sign in page. Now here you need to wait for a few seconds. If you already have an iCloud account, it will ask for a merger option. So I don't want to merge, so I will select don't merge here. And after that, we need to wait for a few seconds and see our iCloud account is ready to use. Now we'll tap on create contact account once again, and you will see here that our iCloud account has been created. Now to sign out this account, because we have multiple accounts, and if you need to sign out one, tap on that and you will see an option of sign out at the bottom. Click on that and click on sign out and wait for a few seconds. And after that, you will see that your new iCloud account will be signed out, and it will say inactive on the page. As you can see here, it has been signed out, and here you can see inactive has been mentioned. So using this method, you can create a new iCloud account, or if you want to sign out you have multiple accounts and you want to sign out, you can use this method. Thanks for watching.